In today's video, we are comparing two heavyweights of robotic lawn care, the high-tech YARBO Pro and the rugged Mowrator S1. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these mowers, make sure to check the link in the description below. The YARBO is a fully autonomous marvel that uses RTK-GPS and binocular vision for a perimeter wire-free setup, making it incredibly intelligent as it navigates complex yards, yet its 215-pound weight and 70% climbing capability mean it is a permanent, weather-resistant fixture for your lawn. While the Mowrator S1 offers a more hands-on approach with its 4WD remote control system, allowing you to drive it like an RC car with a 5 milliseconds response time, which is actually more engaging for those who prefer to steer, but the YARBO's AI vision means it will actively dodge obstacles like hoses and toys automatically without you having to watch it, whereas the Mowrator's sensors stop the blades instantly if it detects a child or pet, giving you that peace of mind. When it comes to cutting power, the YARBO uses a 300W dual motor system with a 20-inch cut to handle thick, wet grass and prevent clogging, yet the Mowrator takes raw performance further with a blade motor peaking at nearly 2000 W, spinning up to 3200 revolutions per minute for a cleaner 21-inch cut. But the reality is that the YARBO is built for massive estates up to 6 acres, while the Mowrator is more suited to standard suburban lots, capping out at under an acre per charge. Furthermore, the YARBO uses alloy steel tracks to conquer uneven terrain silently and autonomously, but the Mowrator is a true all-season workhorse that can be equipped with a tow hitch for hauling or a plow for snow, giving it incredible versatility that the YARBO simply doesn't offer despite its modular design. Ultimately, the YARBO excels in pure, hands-off intelligence for large properties, requiring no perimeter wires and offering professional-grade results, while the Mowrator S1 wins for utility, safety, and sheer brute force, being easier to set up out of the box and far more engaging to control directly. In our honest opinion, for most homeowners, the Mowrator S1 is the superior choice due to its unmatched versatility, incredible safety features, and the sheer power of its 4WD system, but we highly recommend you check the link in the description below to see the current pricing and decide which one best fits your budget and yard size.